Shubor nakashlem jong unongsan Hima.
Nongyalam ka National People's Party James PK Sangma henigasngi ka Pratrik Jilio Arhajar Arpuhenrio ulalit ban Thep Kyrteng yalade kumu Kyrtong na kabenta banya khun ya ki election MP Rajya Sabha na Meghalaya hagjinon ringkat ki Nongyalam bahakmat bar ki nomikmat jong ki constituency ba pher ki betre lam bar ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA habakran shakilat pathai kubor hadian bladap Thep Kyrteng James Sangma ulapan pau ke jing ai khuble ki pat ba nong shong ke jilla ya menteri rang ba ke jilla ukanrat Sangma ki sembut menteri rang ba snya bhalang bat ba preston ki menteri sarkar ki nong thau an ki parlok bas nok tilang bat ke NPP kata ke UDP ke HSPDP ke BJP baru MLA Shimet ki belkershan ni una ke bentaban nong kumu Kyrtong syake election Rajya Sabha James ulaong bagajing penbit penbiang na ke benta ke election na dablut ke besak menta ke long hagi terpeng jong banket ni kalingkor. James ulaong babun kimat jingdawa ki bede bat kejela kidang sateng laslamha badon kam kejingale ban pensngo yaki. Ulaong baun sekran ni kini kimat Rajya Sabha knang bakasur ki pat ba ka Meghalaya anyo sngo hagirin san jong kari. Habakran halor kejingjiat kumu Kyrtong James ulaong ba uburam ya ke kabalashan ya hau bat ukular baun syakri ki pat ba kejela Meghalaya da kejing IT lut bat jinglong bashisha. Habakdo baka Pratrik Jilio ka de kasngi bakhat do ban Thep Kyrteng James ulaong berada unsha jiet klamdan bayale persha unshim bakalong ka kabu bat kaburam ban mikmat di ka Meghalaya Rajya Sabha hakum ka nikalat ulaong bu unshim yalade kum uba mikmat di ka jimentoy jong ka jilla baro kawi haba jubab di ka jingkali hato unwan phabyang syakasan perthei ka jilla na ka benta ka election ban wan James ulaong baka dangkuloy palat ban shim yakum ka nikaray bat ansabishar banya ya ka jinglong jiman hakapor kababyang ulak dawru bakapor trikam jung udukhat jong Rajya Sabha ka long handusnam bat ulak dawru e ka jingthmu jung ban pendap purai ka samay trikam ulakan tho baka nong ka basngusi ban pha ya ubriyo shaka yeng darbar bah kli do tangba kinwan phai shwon pendap yaki kamram jongki.
I'm first of all very grateful to the people of Meghalaya and also especially to our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Conrad Sangma, all the Deputy Chief Ministers, both of them, Ba Preston and Ba Sneobha, all our Honorable Ministers, our MLAs and also our alliance partners from the UDP, the HSPDP, the BJP and the Independents for having supported my candidature to the Council of States Rajya Sabha. And today I've just finished filing the nominations and I look forward to being elected and hopefully after the election process is over and I'm elected, the responsibilities of the Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, if it were to fall on my shoulders, I will look at how many of the issues both which have been pending for a long time and also issues which we as a state must collectively look at navigating in the future. These are the issues that I intend to be very vocal about in the upper house in Rajya Sabha so that the voice of Meghalaya can be heard in the parliament in Rajya Sabha.
So what prompted this decision?
This is a decision collectively made by the MDA-2 and all I can say is that I'm deeply honored and I feel very privileged, famously selected by the MDA-2 and as I've been saying that me as a person who is here to serve the people of Meghalaya, I will be taking on any responsibility that is given upon me and similarly today the MDA-2 has given this responsibility of being the candidate of the MDA-2 and I look forward to carrying out that responsibility. Well, we have to still wait till the end of day. Today is the last date of filing nominations, so I don't think we can jump to conclusions here. But yes, if it were to be uncontested, then again this is something that I feel extremely privileged and happy about, that the decision to send an MP Rajya Sabha to Parliament by the state of Meghalaya is one which is does not have any contest, and thereby, I will be collectively representing the entire state. Yes, see, of course, consensus basically means that after discussion, whatever differences there may have been, it's always a matter of coming together and discussing whatever issues there are, and then coming to a unanimous decision. So the consensus comes from the fact that there was discussion, and finally all the alliance partners decided to forward my name.
Barok ki breu ki khmi ya kalawai babha ki wat ya kajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang.
MIT University Meghalaya man kasni kalong ka jing sedang bathuma ki jing ikai bapura kat kom kejok ke bamta. Ke MIT University kadan bonjait ki course pat ki jing ikai kum ka fashion design, filmmaking, communication design, music, BBA, MBA, sports management, nursing, BTech, computer science, BSW, MSW, but QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka job ki urlong, but ki kalalong ka shisha.
MIT University Meghalaya, kajingya lenti kabastang syakalaway bacok.